Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are outside of Walgreens today, and happy Easter if you guys celebrate Easter. There is kind of a slow ad this week, kind of not, depending on what you need to grab. Now at first, I thought I didn't get the spend booster, but then I realized later while I was going through my previously clipped coupons that my one from last week is still there. So according to that booster, it is a one-time use, but whatever. In the ad, it does mention that same spend 40, get $10 in Walgreens cash booster. So I plan on trying to use it today. So hopefully it goes through. And according to the booster, it's good till 4/11, which I think that's the end of the week. Yeah, anyway, so without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. This week's select Neutrogena facial care products are on promotion for buy two, get $7 in register rewards. The makeup wipes are the cheapest options at $5.99, so you can grab something like these ones. They are $5.99, so when buying two, your total will be $11.98. We have a $4 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $7.98 at the register. Get the $7 register reward for buying two, making them 98 cents for both. Shea Moisture bath products are on promotion for spend $20, get $10 in register rewards, and the best way to do this deal is to grab two of the body wash products. Grabbing two, since they're on sale for $12 each, grabbing two will be $24. You'll have to pay that at the register because there's no digital coupons, but we'll get the $10 register reward for spending $20, and then we'll submit to Fetch, where we have 5,000 Fetch points on each body wash. So we'll get a total of about $10 back from Fetch, making them $4 for both products. Axe deodorant and deodorant spray are on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. There's no Walgreens cash or register rewards coming back for this promotion, but the cheapest way to do this deal is to grab two of the sticks that are $7.49. One at full price, one at 50% off will be $11.23. We have a $5 digital coupon, so we'll just make them $6.23 for both, and you're more than welcome to grab the more expensive ones if that's the products you like. Select Dove deodorant products are on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. Buy two, get $2 in register rewards. So there's two ways to do this deal. The first way, we're going to grab the clinical care products. So you're going to come grab one of the women's that are $13.99. Then you're going to come grab the Dove Men Plus Care Clinical that is also $13.99. So these would be the two products you would grab. One is full price, one is 50% off, and your total will be $20.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the men's and a $3 digital coupon for the women's, so you'll be left to pay $14.98 at the register. We'll get the $2 register reward for buying two and make them $12.98 for both. The other way to do this deal is to grab one of the women's whole body deodorant. This is $13.99. Then you're going to come grab this whole body Dove Men Plus Care. This is the bamboo and aloe one. It is $14.99. So the $14.99 is the more expensive one. So that's the full price one. So our total will be $21.98 for both products. We have a $5 digital coupon for the men's and a $4 digital coupon for the women's. You'll pay $12.98 at the register. Get the $2 register reward for buying two. Then you'll submit to Fetch rewards for 2,000 Fetch points when buying two whole body dry sprays. So make them just $8.98 for both. This is a repeat deal from last week, but it's still really good if you haven't done it yet. So Olay Body Wash is on promotion for buy three, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $8. So you're going to grab a total of three of them for $24. We have a $7 off of three digital coupons, so you'll be left to pay $17 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying three, making them just $12 for all three. Or if you haven't done the Old Spice deal, it is also great savings. They are the same promotion as the Olay, so if you're doing both of the promotions, make sure you're doing them in a separate transaction from each other. But you'll grab three of the Old Spice for a total of $24. We have a $6 digital coupon for the Old Spice, so you'll pay $18 at the register, get the $5 register reward for buying three, making them $13 for all three. So TRESemmé products is on promotion for buy two, get $3 in register rewards, and the shampoo conditioners are $6. The stylers are more expensive at $7.49. But grabbing 2 of the shampoo conditioners, your total will be $12. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $8 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying 2, and make them $5 for both. So this is definitely not the best deal on Pantene, but I feel like we haven't had decent savings on Pantene in a while. So they are on promotion for buy 2, get $2 in register rewards, and the shampoo conditioner smaller bottles are $5.49. You'll grab 2 of them for $10.98. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $7.98 at the register. Get the $2 register reward for buying 2, making them $5.98 for both. Select Crest products are on promotion for buy 2, get $3 in register rewards, and they're $5. Now, I personally would not do this deal unless you absolutely need Crest products or like the more expensive ones. But you'll grab 2 of them for a total of $10. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $7 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $4 for both. Now, if you don't want the more expensive toothpaste, you can grab the twin packs of the Oral-B toothbrushes that are $5. You can grab these Oral-B gum care floss picks for $5. Or you can grab either of these Scope mouth rinses that are $5. All of those products do work for the deal and the $3 off of 2 digital coupon. Select Colgate products are on promotion for buy 2, get $5 in register rewards, and there's on sale for $5 or $6, but you're going to look for the Optic White ones that are $6. So you're going to come grab one of the Optic White toothpaste. Then you're going to grab one of the Optic White toothbrushes. They are also $6. Grabbing these 2 products, your total will be $12. We have a $3 digital coupon for the toothpaste and a $3 digital coupon for the toothbrush. You'll be left to pay $6 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for buying 2, make them $1 for both. We have really good savings on this Walgreens box of Certainty. This is the Women's Comfort Guard underwear. This is the 40 count large. It's only $5.79 now. Also, if you need a GLP-1 booster, these are half off at $15.99. I don't know what a GLP-1 booster does, but I mean, if you need it, you need it, and you can save some money on it. Another really good clearance find is on this Women's Instant Cold Maxi Pads. This is a 5 count, and they're on clearance for $3.99. Otherwise, we have some super cheap aspirin, this 50 count for $2.29, or this 24 count for $1.49. Hopefully, if you like Coke, you were able to score the Coke deal that was last week. But this week, Mountain Dew and Pepsi are the best deal. They are buy 2, get 2 free, so you can grab 4 total cases of 12 packs for just $23.98. Dr. Pepper and Coke are buy 2, get 1 free, so you'll grab 3 cases of either Dr. Pepper and A&W, or I think 7-Up is that brand, but you'll mix and match those 3 for $23.98, or Coke, Sprite, and Fanta for $23.98. So if you like Mountain Dew and Pepsi, now's your time to score them. This week's select Charmin and Bounty Essential products are on promotion for buy 3, get $3 in register rewards, and they're $5.49. So you're going to grab at least one of the Charmin Essentials. Then you're going to come grab the 4 equals 8 Bounty Essentials. You're going to grab at least one of those. These 3 products will total you $16.47. If you haven't used them, we have a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty Essentials from last week and a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin Essentials. So you'll be left to pay $14.47 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying 3, making them $11.47 for all 3 products. This week, the Bounty Essentials, the 2 equals 4 double ones, are on promotion for buy 2, get $2 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $3.99. So you'll grab a total of 2 of them for $7.98. There's no coupons that attach to this, so you'll pay that out at the register. But we'll get the $2 register reward for buying 2, making them $5.98 for both products. So apparently someone at my store isn't doing their job very well this week over in the laundry, but Arm & Hammer products are still 3 for $7.49, and there's the $1.50 digital coupon. But if you prefer Persil products, they are on promotion for $5.99, and there's a $2 digital coupon, making them just $3.99. We have our great 4 for $10. This is a super beginner friendly coupon deal because there's no coupons needed, and you just grab your 4 favorite products and you'll pay the $10. So you can grab the single count of the Febreze fabric or the single count of the Febreze air. We also have the Gain 60 count dryer sheets included with the Bounce 60 count ones, the small downy softener that is the 1.5 pint, or we have the trial size. I know these ones say I don't like that, but they're the true trial size for the 4 for $10. Last but not least, the Tide Simply products are included. So like I said, grab your favorite 4 products and you'll pay just $10. All products are on sale for $4.99. There's a $1 digital coupon including the Mighty Packs, making them $3.99. There was Ibotta offers, but they're in the process of removing them right now. So I probably, even if I grabbed one, I probably wouldn't be able to submit for it. We do have a Walgreens gift card promotion this week, so it's buy 2 get $10 Walgreens gift card. So the options you have are DoorDash, Fandango, H&M, and Panera. Now I personally don't eat at any of those anymore, so I go to Fandango or H&M. So I'm gonna be skipping this deal, but it's a great way to get some easy savings. All right, so I'm gonna do 2 separate transactions today. This is going to be one of the transactions. I'm grabbing 2 of the $3.99 bounty plus the Shea Moisture and the Neutrogena. My total will be $43.96 roughly, and we only have a $4 digital coupon, so this is a very high out of pocket, but I do have plenty of register rewards to roll from last week. Then, as long as this is still $2.29, this will be my second transaction. I'll pay. Well, my total after coupons still left to pay is about $29, but I plan on rolling $20 in Walgreens cash, so I'm barely paying for this one out of pocket. All right, we're back in from checkout, and checkout was okay, I guess. So I did the 2 separate transactions like I showed you guys. So the first one I did was the spend for the so I grabbed the Shea body wash, the Neutrogena wipes, and then the Bounty. And then I used a total of $24 in register rewards, and then the $4 digital coupon for the Neutrogena. So I swiped my card for $15.96. Then for this receipt, I hate these little flyer things that print out from the Catalina machine. I already know about this deal. Stop telling me about it. You don't need to waste paper on it. But then the guy that was getting impatient, so the $2 register reward printed for the bounty, and then the $10 did print for the Shea Moisture, and then when the $7 had started to print, he started pulling on it, and he broke the machine. So I did have to go over and wait in line at the photo counter for $7 in Walgreens cash for the Neutrogena one that started to print that didn't get very far, and I had to wait in line for at least 20 minutes. They were doing I don't know what they were doing. They were selling something really expensive. It was really something at the photo counter, like a passport or something. It's worth $3,500 because they didn't speak English very well, and no fault of their own. Both parties were it was just very miscommunication between language barriers. So I wasn't mad waiting in line because they were both trying to do their best to be done with the transaction. But anyway. So the cashier or the manager was nice enough to give me the $7 in Walgreens cash. We did move to the other side to do my second transaction. So I did the Shout and then the Old Spice, and then I had the $6 coupon for the Old Spice. So it was $20.29. I did use $20 in Walgreens cash, so I only paid 29 cents for this one. I did get the $5 register reward for buying the Old Spice. Now, unfortunately, I did not get the $10 in Walgreens cash for my spend for the booster, so I will be going online with customer service and be like, WTF, man. So there is that. Then for the first receipt, I submitted to Fetch for 10,000 Fetch points, which is $10. And then to my second receipt to Ibotta for the $1.25 for the shout. And then only using that one rebate, I did earn my weekend dash cash, which was $1 for 10 offers, so I got an extra $1 back. So it makes my grand total for everything like $3, I want to say, doing rough math, which isn't bad in my opinion. But anyway, thank you so very much for tuning in. Let me know if your spend for the booster works. I thought about trying to do it online, but I just haven't tried that yet. But thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Easter, and I will see you guys next time.